Make good videos, create videos that are interesting and well made. Start a YouTube channel, make a channel for your videos. Turn on ads, allow ads on your videos to earn money. Get more views, try to get more people to watch your videos regular. Share links to product and you get money if people buy them. You can sell your own medicines like t-shirts through YouTube. You can ask your viewers to support through sites like Patreon. Companies may pay you to talk about their products. Give your fans special things in return for a small monthly fee. You can make money during live streams through chats and donations. Remember to create content that people like. Be present and keep learning to improve your videos and grow up your audience. Engage your YouTube support. Reach out to YouTube support or guidance and assistant. Adapt to trends, stay updated with current trends and adapt your content to capitalize on popular topics. Live stream, host live stream and monetize them through super chat members on sponsorships. Start by protecting content that is engagement available and well protected. Find a niche or topic your position about and that or audience. Make good videos, create interesting and well known videos. Make your own YouTube channel on your YouTube. Allow ads to play in your videos for money. Share links to things you like and earn money if people buy them. You can sell your own stuff through YouTube or offer special things to your fans for a small fee. Companies may pay you to talk about the stuff. Just keep making videos people enjoy and over time you can earn money on YouTube. Now we will learn how to earn money from Facebook. Earning money from Facebook can be done through various methods. Here are some common appropriate methods. Facebook ads. If you have a business or a popular Facebook page, you can earn money by running Facebook ads. Advertisement pay you to display their ads to your audience. Affiliate marketing. Uh, pro- Promote products or service through affiliate links on your Facebook page. You earn a common for every sale or action generated through your referrer. Selling products for service. If you have a business, you can sell products or service directly on Facebook using features like Facebook Marketplace or setting up a Facebook shop. Content creator. If you are a content creator, you can monetize your channel on Facebook through the Facebook partner program, which allows you to earn money from revenue and fan subscribers. Facebook group. Some Facebook groups charge membership fee for offer premium content, which can be a sources of income and group admin posts. Companies may pay you to create and share sponsored content with your followers, especially if with your have a substantive and engaged audience. Donation and fan support. You can receive donations or fan support through features like Facebook stars and fan subscribers. Mm, offering offering service. Use Facebook to promote your skills or service, such as consulting, coaching from finance. Remember that building a subscribement following and engagement on Facebook is a crucial for many of these methods. Also be sure to comply with the Facebook's police and guidelines when trying to monetize your activities on your platform. Content creations: if you have a certificate following, you can earn money through sponsors, post, affiliate marketing, or selling your products on service. Facebook ads: you can create and learn Facebook ads for your business or for eating other other earning process. Money based on success of ads. Facebook marketplace: you can sell products through Facebook marketplace. Facebook marketplace, you can create a manage niche. Facebook marketplace: you can sell products through Facebook marketing. Facebook group: you can create a imaginary niche Facebook groups and monetize them through membership fees, responsibilities, or affiliate marketing. Facebook Live: if you have a following, you can earn money through tips or by collaboration with brands during Facebook Live seasons. Mm, Facebook has various groups and pages where you can find reflecting or opportunities in fields like writing, designing, and more. Facebook gaming: if you are a gamer, you can make money through Facebook gaming by streaming, receiving donations, and ad revenue. Remember that making money on Facebook may require that effects and dedicate audience always from Facebook's guideline and police with engagement in money making activities on its platform. I'm not sure what you mean by money from Facebook. Facebook is a social media platform, and while some people make money through activities on the platform such as advertisement, responsibilities, post, or selling products, it's essentially to clarify that classific information or assistance you are looking for regarding making money from Facebook. Making money from Instagram is possible through various stages, particular if you have a here are some ways to monetize your Instagram. Responsibility of partnership: partner with brands and create responsibilities content from them. They may pay you to promote their products or receive service to your followers. Affiliate marketing: share affiliate links to product or service and earn a customized for each sale made through your unique place like 30, 20, 100. Sell your product for service: if you have a product or offer service, you use Instagram to show causes and sell them to your audience. Instagram ads: if you have a business account, you can run paid advertisement on Instagram to reach a wide audience and promote your products or service. Become an influencer: build a substantial following and become an influencer in your niche. Brand Brand may collab with you for promotions, events, or affiliate marketing. Drop shipping: start a drop shipping business where you sell products without holding inventory. Promote this product through your Instagram account. Consulting and researching: if you have knowledge or skills in a specific area, offer consulting and coaching receipts and use Instagram to attract